Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to see you all here again. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our weekly quick and easy recipes. Today, we're diving into something that's perfect for cozy nights in or chilly afternoons. Homemade hot chocolate. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never want the store-bought stuff again. It's that good! Alright, let's get into it. First, here's what you'll need. 1 cup of milk, any kind you like, whether it's whole, almond, or oat. Then, grab 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt to really bring out that chocolate flavor. Oh, and don't forget a splash of vanilla extract for that extra warmth. If you're feeling fancy, you can top it off with whipped cream or marshmallows, but we'll get to that later. Now, let's get cooking. In a small saucepan, combine your cocoa powder, sugar, and salt. Add a couple of tablespoons of milk and stir it into a smooth paste. This is the secret to a lump-free hot chocolate. Once that's mixed, slowly whisk in the rest of the milk and heat it over medium heat. Keep stirring until it's warm and steamy, but don't let it boil. Then, remove it from the heat and stir in that splash of vanilla. And there you have it. Your homemade hot chocolate is ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite mug, top it off with whipped cream or marshmallows, and take a moment to savor that first sip. It's like a warm hug in a cup. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy sipping!